Hey, what's up, Brooke?
Hey, what's up?
How's that cold? Is it getting better?
Yeah.
You know, you can always use my meds if you need, right?
Thanks. I appreciate it, man.
I received an anonymous letter today. Guess what I got?
Huh, so the Christmas time comes early, huh? Well, this is a mechanic watch. It's pretty antique, good looking. Maybe it's from your parents.
They never buy me things like this.
Well, look, the time is about 40 minutes faster. Well, you said, anonymous package. There's anything else? White paper? No names, address. Interesting, huh? It's a poem. From dusk to dawn, today to day, the ceaseless hours rock, and all we live in must obey, the hands upon the clock. I would say it's either a prank or gift from families or friends. Either way, I say just go with it. It's a pretty good looking watch. You know, if that's the end of the story. I gotta go back to my dorm. I got a lot to do today.
Well, I think you're right.
Hey, what's up, Brooke? How's that cold? Is it getting better? You know, you can always use my meds if you need, right?
Thank you, man. What time is it?
It's like 30.
No, that was almost 1 hour ago.
What are you talking about?
The time got reversed. Okay, listen, something very strange has happened to me, okay? I have to make sure that I am not crazy. We just talking a Matt, right?
Like 15 minutes ago.
And you showed me that watch. Wait, now I understand.
I still don't understand what you're talking about.
Yes. So ever since we touched that watch, strange things happened, okay? Things that have happened before just happened again. My roommate said the exact same things to me when I met him at the hallway. The same location, the same spot. Just look at the computer time. Don't you notice the difference?
Okay, Brooke. And this could be a coincidence, okay? I mean, where did you even get the idea from the time it got reversed? You have just read too much sci-fi.
Okay, you know what? Take out your pocket watch.
Don't be ridiculous.
Take it out. Adjust your time.
magic then?
We will find out. We cannot do this in public. We have to go someplace. All right. What are you waiting for? Ready? Run.
This is so powerful. Why can't we handle this?
We must be chosen. I mean, we must know how to use this. If it's really a time machine, don't you want to see how far it can go? Let's try something more, right? Wait. It's gone.
You had it in your hand.
It's gone. We have to find it.
Think about it, what happened first.
No, you don't understand. We have to find the watch. So we can understand what happened. It's the watch took us here.
No, we're not going back to the woods. Let's go back to the dorm first and think about what happened.
Don't be stupid. It's obvious. We have to get the watch. We cannot afford to lose it.
Why you care the watch so much? If you go yourself. I'm going back to the dorm.
Okay, then.
Hey, what's up, Brooke?
I come back tomorrow.
Did you get it? We fucked it up. I just saw another me. Came back to the dorm now.
We must stuck in some sort of different time space.
It's over. We shouldn't play with the time in the
No,
first place.
not if we can get back the time. Get back the watch. Wait, you. I will get the watch. If you cannot meet yourself, I can.
Wait! Stop. You go for the watch.
Good idea.
Hey, what's up, bro?
So you want to show me something?
I'm gonna show you something extremely cool.
Show me that.
What is the most precious thing in the world?
I'm not playing this game with you. Just show me.
I received an anonymous package today. And guess what I got?
So, the Christmas time comes early, huh? It's a pretty good looking watch. So, you said, it's a package. Is there anything else?
Yeah. This is like a letter. Seems like a poem. I don't really understand. So what time is it?
What? Don't you have a cell phone?
I do. Battery died.
Okay. It's 5:10.
Okay.
Well, read it to me, then.
From dusk to dawn, today, the ceaseless hours rock, and all we living must obey the hands upon the clock.
You know, it must be a riddle, and there must be something in there. But I don't really understand either, you know. Good luck with that. And I really got a lot to do, man. I have to go back to my room.
Wait! You forgot your scarf.
Yes, of course. Alright, see you around.
Hey! It's a time.
What?
Save time, my friend.
What are you talking about? Hey! Hey, Ken! Hey! What?
It's over. Bro, let's go back.
This thing can travel from space to space and through time. It's amazing. And now we're gonna use this to go back.
Yes, so we can destroy this. No one deserves such power. No one should be able to play with the time.
Remember what we did in the forest? We find out there is a safe range, right? And every time the bigger number you change in the clock, the bigger the safe range would be. So you wouldn't be affected, only being within this safe range. So, let's say, what if you only change the safe time for a few minutes? The safe range will be extremely small. I'm sorry.